and welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda Hill, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how I transformed this regular 6-foot garland into an outside door wreath. First thing that you want to do, you want to determine the size of your wreath. So this is a 6-foot garland, and I'm just going to take my garland and wrap it around like this. I'll take it to the back, and there are hooks on mine. If yours doesn't have hooks, you should still be able to, your garland should be flexible enough to bend it around. So I'm just going to take my hook, hook it right here. Okay. Then I'm going to take the one from this side and I'm going to bring it around. And it's already taken shape into the form of a wreath. And they won't see this part. So I've taken my little hook component and I've hooked it around. And to make sure that it stays extra secure, I'm going to take some of the these things, arms or whatever you want to call them, and I'm going to secure it like this. Okay. And that won't make a difference because I'm going to put something right there. So you won't be like, oh my God, it's pushed back. It won't make a difference. So everything that I'm using today, either I got it from Walmart or I got it for a really, really good price. I usually shop at, that's my cat, Chi Chi. Sorry guys if you hear something going. So, in order to do this, you're going to need a hot glue gun. Mine had a lot of use. This is a high temperature hot glue gun. You'll need glue sticks. And this is AdTech non-yellowing full-size multi-temp 24 glue sticks. You're going to need a pair of scissors. Yeah. And you're going to need some decorations to go on there. And if you see me going over to this side, that means I am picking out new decorations. And so this is my crate full of decorations. And I'm going to decide what I want on there. So stay tuned. Now that we have our bowls out, I was testing out to see exactly where I wanted to put some of my flower pieces that I have, and only thing that I did was, this came from Dollar Tree. I just pulled the stem up like this, and it detached. See, this is the back. Once again, I'm just gonna go up here, pull it from the stem, just pull all of them off. So I'm gonna take the glue gun on a little strip around here, just like this. Stick it. I'm gonna take the red one and do the exact same thing. I'm just gonna apply a little glue. I'm gonna be a little more careful because we don't have as much work area, space to put glue at. So I'm gonna glue it just like that. Like ornaments, and I'm just gonna cut the string off these, just like that, and I'm gonna apply it to my wreath. This one is a little different. I'm just gonna go around the shape of the snowflake with the glue gun and the main areas. So let's see. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, I just went around this main part right here. Okay. Push it in.
Imagining you and me in the same dream, with the same dream. Same dream, imagining you and
Okay.
me in the same
Now, When I want to glue this on, I'm just going to take the glue and run it around like this on the ornament, because I don't want the ornament hook area to show on my wreath. So you don't have to put as much glue, but I want it to last a couple years because I'm probably so. I'm gonna put this one right here.
What I see on the live stream.
Same thing with the little one. Add my glue to it. Just like that.
Don't wanna believe what I see on the live stream. What they sell me on the TV, it's haunting. But if you let down your gun, you can feel the winter warming sun through the window and the soft glow of mother turning. Dream, dream, imagining you and me in the same dream. If we open our hearts, well, we're making a start to remember the one part of every soul.
So now I'm gonna add these little pine cones that I picked up. I think this was like in a little mix of different little ornaments, little small ornaments, and I thought this would be a cute addition. And this came in a little small pack, and it was $1.
If we listen to our Father's yearning.
I'm cutting this bow because I don't like it. I don't like the way it looks. So I'm just gonna take the bow in right here and snip, snip. Now I gotta add some more decorations right there. So I'm just gonna take this in like this. And snip it. Then I'm gonna take my scissors, and this is the way I line it up because that's why I want the scissors to stop it. Voila!
With the same dream, with the same dream, imagining.
So this one won't stay in place. So watch. Boom. It's the completed look to transform a garland into a wreath. If you would like to see more DIY projects similar to this or home decor, please comment below some suggestions that you would like to see. Also below, tell me your favorite part of Christmas. My favorite part of Christmas is, of course, decorating and purchasing gifts for the ones that I love. Alright, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. As always, make today great and be the very best you. And stay tuned for more DIY projects. Merry Christmas!